Nagkatensyon sa Senado at Kamara ng batikusi ng ilang mambabatas ang isang opisyal kaugnay ng caricature ng Chinese president. May report si Ian Cruz.
Sa interpellation sa resolusyon ni Senador Kiko Pangilinan sa pagkondena sa mga pahayag ng Chinese Embassy laban sa ating mga opisyal at institusyon, iginiit ni Senador Rodante Marcoleta na dapat alam natin ang hangganan ng ating teritoryo, bagay na dapat daw inuuna ni Commodore J. Tariela na isumite sa International Hydrographic Organization.
Kesa sasabihin natin, gagawa ng halimbawa ng caricature. Para sa ganon, alam na natin, maiguguhit na natin, hindi lamang tayo lang ang nakakaalam ng ating West Philippine Sea, pati po doon sa S-23. Ito po yung International Hydrographic Organization.
Pero sabi ni Senador Kiko Pangilinan, ang mga nabanggit ni Tariela, dinipensahan na ng Department of National Defense at Armed Forces of the Philippines.
Hindi ba dapat susugan natin at suportahan natin at we rally behind our armed forces, our Department of National Defense, rather than kowtow, not kowtow, but rather than give China the benefit of the doubt as regards their motivations in attacking one of our men in uniform.
Bagyaring nagkatensyon sa mababang kapulungan, pinuna ni Minority Leader Marcelino Libanan ang pag-display ng caricature ni Chinese President Xi Jinping ng isa umanong senior spokesperson ng PCG, hindi pinangalanan si Tariela. Pero sa interpellation ni Cagayan de Oro 2nd District Representative Rufus Rodriguez,
J. Tariela is doing his job as spokesman of the Philippine Coast Guard because the very reason why this spokesman has to move and act is because China has been violating the sovereign rights of the Filipino people. I hope the minority leader withdraws his statement. A congressman taking up the cudgels of our aggressor in the West Philippine Sea.
Hindi ko po i-withdraw po yan. I am not defending China. What I am saying is that we have to act with professionalism, discipline, and manage our international relations properly. Pag sumisigaw tayo palagi, hindi po tayo maririnig. Madam Speaker, palagay ko, ang boses ko ay mas malaki sa boses ng gentleman from Cagayan de Oro.
Session suspended.
Pero nagsasalita po ng mahinahon.
Ian Cruz nagbabalita para sa GMA Integrated News.